Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is my March Boxycharm unboxing. I don't know if you can see this like light right here that's like splitting down the middle of my face. I can't figure out how to get rid of it, so we're just gonna have to go with it because it won't go away. I have to turn off my overhead light and can't record without that, so we just gotta keep going with this weird line down my face. So today's box, the theme is vacation. I like that, it's really cute. So the first thing that I used was this South Main eye gel packs. It's supposed to reduce puffiness, reduce dark circles, and moisturize the eye area. And this was pretty stupid for me to use, but I did it anyway. Because I don't have puffy under eyes, I don't have dark circles, and I guess everybody can use moisture under their eyelid, under their eyes, but I did it like the way it said: cleanse, apply the product, leave it on for 30 minutes, and like use all three consecutively. And I did that, and I didn't really see any difference, but also there was nothing for it to change. I did remember that like hitting 20 minutes with it under my eye, it started to feel a little chemically, and it started to kind of smell, and then sometimes it would burn. So I wasn't too crazy about this, but mainly because I don't have puffiness or dark circles, so there was no, I didn't have a problem for it to fix. So this was in it. I thought it was fun though. Maybe I'll try it again if I ever get puffy and dark circles, but we'll see. And that cost $10. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is Pretty Vulgar. They have Make Them Blush Blush, and this is in Hush Blush. Yeah. I'm digging the packaging. I think it's super, super cute. So yeah, Pretty Vulgar Blush. Been staring at this for days. I've been real stoked to use it. But it's nothing, you're probably not gonna see it, but I'll see it, which will be cool. So I'm gonna pop that on right quick with my M530 brush. Whoa, that's pigmented. This was not this color before. So it's okay, super pigmented. It's just a blush to me. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing. And that was $26. The next thing is the Vintage Cosmetic Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. And this retails for $23.15. $23.15. I think this is cute. But so this is what the brushes look like. This one says step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadow, step 3 go go girl. So I don't think I'm gonna like this brush very much because I don't know what exactly to use it with, other than maybe like cover my whole eyelid or maybe pop in my brow bone highlight. But I can already tell that I'm probably not gonna like these. But they're super soft. This brush, they're super soft. I'm gonna like this brush for smoking out my under eye, and then this is just another like pack on powder brush. So I'm gonna use those in a minute. The next thing that was in the box is the Pure. It's called Pure the Complexion Authority. It's an eyeshadow palette for $36. And I think Pure and Boxycharm teamed up on this one, because that's what the front of it says. Boxycharm, Pure, together. Which would make sense, because Pure is in a lot of Boxycharm's stuff. Or Boxycharm has a lot of Pure stuff. Whatever, you know what I'm saying. So this is what it looks like, and I'm getting ready for work, so I'm just gonna kind of stick with my normal shades up here. Nothing crazy down here. The first shade that I'm dipping into is called Perfect, P-U-R-Fect, and I really liked it because it ended up covering my veins a lot more than I have seen in other like cream matte eyeshadows. The next shade is called Naked, and it's just your basic transition shade. I'm just, you know, putting it in my transition area as normal so that I can, you know, look pretty blended. Normal stuff. So here I'm using the brush Step 1 for the money and the color Charmer, and I ended up having to spray some setting spray on it to kind of like help make it a little more pigmented. I think I need to work with this shade a little bit more because it just didn't give me the look that I wanted. Maybe try using this with your finger instead. And now I'm taking Belle and just putting that back into my transition area to help blend everything together. Here I'm going in with ATL to help smoke out this eye look, but it doesn't give me the pigment that I wanted. But I was also a little afraid to like really dip into it because it's kind of a reddy pink shade and I wasn't going for that. I was just trying to get a deeper color. So then I take Duet with a much smaller brush and just barely put that on the outer corner, and then I take the other brush and blend everything together. I only use this color to help get a little bit more pigmented, and then I just blended everything out. Using the Step 3 Go Girl Go brush from Vintage, I'm using the color Naked and Charmer to smudge out the bottom lash line, and this brush was actually scratching my eye a little bit, so I just went in with my tried and true awesome Morphe brush that doesn't scratch my eye. But I'm going to continue to work with this brush. It could have just been I was being a little aggressive with it because I was in a little bit of a rush, so I'm not going to get rid of the brush yet or anything. But just note that it might scratch your eyes a little bit. And then with Step 3 for the shadow, I'm just going back in with Perfect to highlight my brow bone, but I ended up using my highlight with it because I wanted a little bit of sparkle and not just the matte shade, and it actually worked pretty well. I was impressed with the brush, so I'll probably continue to use it as well. Okay, so the last thing in the box is this Butter London Double Decker Lashes Mascara. And this retails for $20. So I'm super excited to use this. It says that it's going to thicken my lashes 200% and increase lash curl by 314%, which I think is funny because that's Pi. And I got this box March 14th on Pi Day, and I saw that and I was like, ha ha ha, funny. So this is the mascara. Don't think I'm gonna like it that much though because I'm not crazy about the way the wand looks, but it just looks clumpy. Like I feel my lashes clumping while I'm looking at this, but we'll see. Okay, so that's it for this video. I wasn't crazy about the mascara. I don't think it increased my lashes that much or like improved my lash curl. I think it just looks like normal mascara on my eyes, but that's fine with me because I needed a mascara anyway, so I don't have to go buy that now. So yeah, that's it for me trying on stuff, but I did like the this palette. I know I didn't like do anything super crazy with it, but I do want to do something with like this blue color and the pink color just because they look really fun. But I didn't want to do anything crazy because I'm going to work and like don't want to go to work looking like a clown, so we got just normal face. But I did like this. The brushes I could have done without, like they were fine. The eye gels could have done without. It's fun to try them though. And I do like the blush. The more I kind of like look at it, it's subtle, like you can't really tell anything, but I do like that in my blush, so that's cool. So the palette was a hit, the blush was a hit, mascara was okay, eye gels, and the brushes, This is okay box. I was still super excited to get it, and yeah. So last month's box, I don't remember what's in it other than this, and I do still use this, and I do still like it. I'm gonna try to do a video using the highlights on my eyes as like a spring look. We'll see if I ever actually get to that. But other than this, I don't remember anything else that was in the box, so I can't really review it. So I guess that says something about last month's box as well. So yeah. Oh, Butter London also had this 25% off coupon, which I thought was pretty cool. So you also got one of these. The total cost of this box was $115.15, which is worth it when you compare like how much you pay per box for your Boxycharm and then the total price. Like it evens out. It's a good box, good situation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm, or tell me a look to do with the palette, because that's a really fun looking palette. How did your box differ from mine, or what did you think about the eye gels? Because I would like to know like other people's opinion on them, because it didn't do anything for me. I don't know what eye gels are supposed to do. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video on Wednesday, guys. Bye!